Hey, one-eyed Reba. Hey. Hey, Jax. Hey, if you cut yourself, I brought a tourniquet today, so we'll be all right.
Good to know.
Yeah. Jinx me while you.
Tourniquet for?
Because you mess with a dang knife and cut my dang leg off. I watched the videos where some guys got some pretty nasty gores in their legs.
What happens when you mess with a knife?
Do what?
How easy is it to show them if you mess with a knife and it slips?
See, that's what I brought a tourniquet for.
Ouch.
Never know.
Went in and then the bottom and come out the top.
Oof. You put corn in out here yesterday?
No. Let's see. It's Saturday. Wednesday evening.
Wednesday evening?
I put about 60 pounds there. Soaked in raspberry Kool-Aid.
Mm-hmm.
And like you buy at Harvey's in them pint jars, grandma's molasses.
Nice.
Then it rained the other night, and we was in here yesterday, and everything was washed out.
Huh.
And I put 60 pounds on the other side, and 2 branches there over behind the clear cut.
Did you?
Don't turn it loose, just lead her over there.
I turned this and looked right here.
Yeah.
I heard again, I swear.
Go on. Ding dog. Here's your disclaimer. The next couple seconds of this video, you're going to see how the dogs work on these hogs down in South Georgia and what we have to do to take the hogs out once the dogs find them. It's going to be very graphic. It's going to be kind of gory. So if you clicked on this video by accident and you made it this far into the video, this is your last chance to hit the stop button and find something else to watch. If you came here to see how the dogs work and this whole thing in action, stick around. Here it comes. Get him? We taking this one?
I don't know. Damn it. Kill it, yeah.
I got it. I got it.
You want to? You want to keep it going? Kill it. Kill
Out over here.
You're going. Come in here. I know it. You like it. Come on, man. Do it again.
Do it again.
Go out here.
Right here.
Go in. Quit. Here. Shoulder comes up, go back in that way. You got it that time. Twist it.
Twist it.
Yeah, you got it.
All right.
Went a little low.
I got you.
He ain't going nowhere.
I'm coming. What? Is he getting him? Is he? I can't get him. Good boy, Jesse.
You got you a home.
Good boy, Jesse.
Look at him. Look at him right there.
Good boy, good boy. Look at him. Oh yeah, he ain't scared. We turned him loose too.
You did have him loose?
No, I had him on a chain and finally he started pulling. I was like, let him go.
Which one? Hey,
Jesse.
You want to get some video?
Yeah, it's going right now.
What is the motion, dog?
Go. Yeah. We're in here. Good boy, Jesse. That's a good dog right there. You done messed up, Chris.
I might need him back, bro. Get your house dog out of here. Get your house dog.
Good boy, Jesse. That was pretty fun. So all in all, we were able to take out 2 decent sized pigs, hogs, and 2 little ones. Oh yeah, one last thing. If you like what you saw, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and hit that little bell down there. I think that just tells you whenever I upload a new video. So see you guys on the next one.